Your car headlights looking foggy, yellow, or dull? Don't waste money replacing them.
Today I'm going to show you 11 proven DIY methods to restore these foggy headlights using simple items like this toothpaste.
From toothpaste hacks to professional polishing techniques, these methods will make your headlights look crystal clear again.
Improve night visibility and make your car look brand new.
Whether you're dealing with oxidation, yellowing, or haze, this guide has you covered.
How to clean foggy headlights fast. Cheap DIY headlight restoration tricks. Long-lasting methods that actually work. Mistakes to avoid.
Let's start. Why this matters. Foggy headlights reduce visibility and can be dangerous while driving at night.
Restoring them improves safety and appearance instantly. Are your headlights looking foggy, yellow, or dull? Before you spend hundreds on replacements, stop.
In this video, I'll show you 11 proven DIY methods to restore your headlights at home. Hi Cheap, fast, cheap, and effective.
Segment 1. Why headlights get foggy. Over time, UV rays, dirt, and oxidation damage the plastic surface of your headlights.
This causes that cloudy, yellow look and reduces your night visibility. But don't worry, you can fix this yourself.
Use whitening toothpaste and a cloth. Scrub in circular motion. Rinse and wipe clean.
Baking soda and vinegar. Mix into a paste and apply. Great for removing oxidation building.
Spray and wipe, instant shine.
Car polish or rubbing compound. Apply and buff for a smooth, clear finish. UV protection clear coat. Seals headlights and prevents future fading.
Pedal and mat.
Professional DIY kit. Best long-term solution for crystal clear car headlights.
Now you know 11 powerful ways to restore your headlights at home.
If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more car tips. And comment below which method worked best for you.